In other news, the court has declined to block the police from arresting IT expert Ndiangui Kinyagia and has warned them not to harass or intimidate him. Ndiangui's lawyer, Martha Karua, who appeared before Justice Chacha Mwita, told the court that her client went into hiding out of fear that he would be abducted and accused the police of illegally breaking into his house.
Without warrant. They are required, if they need the property for investigations, to come to court. Even under the Cyber Crimes Act, if you take somebody's computers and gadgets, you go to court for permission to go and read the data. They have not done that. Passports, other documents, they have not come to court in 2 months to seek permission to retain documents and gadgets taken without warrant. These are the abuses we are asking the court to protect the petitioner from, and to also say that the writ of habeas corpus is about protecting individuals from deprivation of personal liberty. So although this case is coming to a close, abuse of power that would deprive one of liberty is something the court is seized of. Most obliged.
Police in Thika have arrested